Hi, my name is Sabrina from Stylish and Sustainable YouTube channel and livestylishandsustainable.com, and I am so glad that you are sitting down to listen to today's episode. First, for the best healthy and sustainable living advice, be sure to subscribe if you're listening on iTunes or follow if you're listening on Spotify. If you're looking to cultivate gratitude for what you have, by the end of this week's episode, you'll have all the tools to slow down your consumption and learn to love the things that you currently have. Many people struggle with shopping too much. I've struggled with this in the past as well, and using gratitude exercises can help us to save money, reduce our environmental footprint, and to slow down our consumption. So let's dive in. I think the first question that we have to answer before we talk about the actual gratitude exercises that I suggest is just why gratitude? And there have really been so many studies conducted that show that people who feel grateful for their lives and what they have are less likely to be depressed and suffer from chronic stress and more likely to report being fulfilled and happy. And these, of course, have other side effects and ramifications across their health. But I think it speaks to itself that if you're grateful for what you have, you're just going to be a happier person. So then, of course, that begs the question, how do we cultivate gratitude? And I have some of my favorite exercises that I do that have really helped me to be more grateful for what I have. And I have seen the truth behind the fact that once you start really intentionally integrating gratitude exercises into your life, it just shifts your entire mindset. So the first gratitude exercise is very popular, and I think you're probably going to have heard of this, and it's to create a gratitude journal. So this can be as simple as just getting yourself a journal. The decomposition journals are a great option if you're looking for an environmentally friendly one. And you write 1 to 3 things that you are grateful for in your journal when you wake up or before you get out of bed, possibly before you go to bed at night. So at some point in the day where you're kind of punctuating your day with this action, you sit down, you write 1 to 3 things in your journal. And it can range from anything to somebody in your life, something simple like the rain, having a roof over your head, to something as detailed as a certain pair of jeans or some socks that you love. And I think that the key to this exercise is that you make sure that you don't repeat anything. So it really challenges you after a couple weeks to really be more reflective on all of the tiny little aspects of your life that make you happy and contribute to your overall success and happiness. The second exercise is identify one item a day and imagine not having it. So I think that this exercise is especially wonderful because there are really 2 side effects. So first of all, if it's something that you imagine not having and you feel like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I would do without this, then you know that that's something to be grateful for. That's something that has value in your life. And if you don't realize that you need it all the time, and then you just take action on that. And so it's a great way to not only be more grateful for what you have, but also to realize what you have that you really don't need and to begin to declutter, which of course we've talked about in the past, has its own really wonderful ramifications. The third way to exercise gratitude in your daily life is to get out there and help someone in need. So apart from the obvious benefit of making the world a better place, which, is something of great value, helping people in situations that are harder or more challenging than your own will help you to realize all of the blessings that you have in your life and be more grateful for them. And then the fourth is to challenge yourself to use what you have in innovative ways. So we've talked about this before, especially in relation to our closets. But I would say you could also make a new fancy dish with your pots and pans, or, like I mentioned just a second ago, curate a new outfit of what you already have in your closet. Rearrange the pillows on your couch or your bed in a new way. Challenge yourself to look at what you have and be innovative with those items. So again, the 4 gratitude exercises I suggest utilizing in your day-to-day life is creating a gratitude journal, journaling 1 to 3 things you're thankful for every day, identifying one item a day and going through a visualization exercise, imagining not having it and what the ramifications would be, getting out there and helping someone in need, and challenging yourself to use what you have in innovative and new ways. This is a super sweet and short episode this week, but be sure to leave a review if you're listening on iTunes with your thoughts and what you want to hear another episode on. I always am open to hearing what you guys want to hear episodes on, whether they're the long form interview ones or these short and sweet ones that I do just as information for you guys. Also, if you want to reduce the toxins in your life and use natural, safe products in your home, visit my website for a free full-length Essential Oil 101 course. You will learn all about how to switch toxic products in your home for 100% safe and natural products. It's a great step that you can take towards greater health in the new year. You can also get a free downloadable sustainable health map and a quick coaching video on establishing your health goals at the link in the show notes, so be sure to check that out as well. And if you haven't checked out the Stylish and Sustainable YouTube channel, head out and do that. All you have to do is search Stylish and Sustainable in the YouTube search bar and check out all our videos about holistic, sustainable living and wellness on the Stylish and Sustainable channel. Again, be a pal, leave a review. I genuinely want to hear your opinion. I'll be talking to you guys next week. I hope you integrate these gratitude exercises into your daily life, sending good vibes your way.